So before digging into the animation demo series, I wanted to give you a quick overview of Adobe Animate and the tools I'm going to be using. I go pretty fast while animating, but this primer should make it easier for you to follow along. Since we'll be making an animator versus animation video, our setting will be the animate interface, meaning we need to do a lot of screen capping to get the various UI elements we need. So I'll start off by showing you the screen capping tool I like to use. It's called Lightshot. It's free for Mac or PC, and you can get it at this address. Once you install it, it will appear down here if you're on Windows. There are a couple options that will be important, so you can right-click and go to Options. The first thing you want to set is the hotkey to make a screenshot. It defaults to the print screen button, but you can click here and do whatever key combination you want. So when you hit the hotkey, it lets you select a part of the screen to capture. And then what I like about this tool is that you can just hit Ctrl-C to copy the image. And then in Animate, you can press Ctrl-V to paste it as a bitmap object onto the stage. So that's a lot easier than saving an image file and then having to import it. The other feature of Lightshot you should know is that you have the option to capture the mouse cursor as part of the screenshot. If this is checked and you do a screenshot, your mouse cursor will be wherever you left it, and you'll be able to include it in your image. Lastly, if you capture more in your screen cap than you intended, you can select the bitmap object with the Select tool, right-click and choose Break Apart, or use the keyboard shortcut, and then you can select parts of the image and delete them. So that's all you need to know about Lightshot. Next, let's look at the tools in Animate itself.